Are you spending your hours on a LinkedIn but getting the zero results? If you are sick of your current job and wondering why recruiters are not able to find your profile, right? Then you are probably making the same mistake which 90% of the people on the LinkedIn are making, right? In my community of SZ Club, I have seen thousands of LinkedIn profiles where there are 6 critical mistakes these people are basically making, which we have discovered, and we are going to discuss about these 3 mistakes. I hope you are also not making. Let's rectify them to get a job. All right. Mistake number 1: keyword blindness. Yes, guys, the problem is that your profile basically lacks in keyword blindness, basically about the searchability, how you search this, right? For example, there are technical keywords which are missing that you are doing it, right? For example, if I try to search your profile on a LinkedIn, right? For example, if the keyword for software tester, QA lead, senior QA automation engineer, for example, if you want to work for it, right, and you are not able to find it, right, and you have not added them into your headlines, for example, QA automation manager, if I want my profile to be found for QA automation engineer, then I should add this into the headline. This is the most important thing. So the fix is think like a recruiter which is searching for you, right? So include the important keywords in your title about experience, skills, which is very, very important. Example, instead of writing the marketing manager, QA manager, you can also write like QA automation manager, right? For example, QA automation manager I have written. So it covers QA automation manager, like 3 keywords in a one go. You can basically add, and you can also use over condition if possible, which is digital marketer / SEO / Google Analytics / content strategy, as much keywords into your title about experience and skills. This is most important that you need to do, right? So let's move on to the mistake number 2, which is called as the resume dump. What is resume dump? See, the problem here is that you copy paste your resume. You have only one resume that you basically upload everywhere, right? You will not get a quantifiable result because same resume that you are basically uploading to a different websites, probably on LinkedIn, Naukri.com, many times, right? This does not give you the exact, what I call it, the results right now. What you need to do it, instead of this, you need to create new resume. Whenever you are applying for a new company, find the important keywords from the job description. This is one of the technique that I have already discussed. You can use a tool called as the Joblytics, right? From the Joblytics tool, what you need to do is add the important keywords. So if I tell you this is like, for example, you can analyze a job on a LinkedIn, what you need to do is go to the job. For example, this is a job that I have. Install this Joblytics tool extension, upload your resume, and you will find the missing important keywords. Now what you need to do is you need to add them into your resume to create a new one. So every job description or every job where you are applying, no guys, your new resume will be created, and that's exactly which is working right now in 2024 and 25 that you see, right? Mistake number 3, which is the dead profile. What do you mean by dead profile, promoter? Dead profile basically means that if you go to my profile also, right, here the problem is no recent activity. If you go to this here in the features, as well as if you see these activities, right, 7 hours ago I have uploaded something, 4 days ago I have uploaded something, 1 week ago I have uploaded something. So frequent updates are very, very important. So please avoid the no recent activity problem, which is I have seen many of you are doing. This is what the problem is, right? The fix for this is post weekly updates. At the same time, you can post anything which you want to share. You can share related to codes, any important details related to QA. Other people share also, you can reshare that. Those things are important. Complete all the major section which I have seen. For example, your feature section that you can basically add, right? Your activities, your experiences, right? Complete all the major section that I told you, right? Professional and current photo, which is very, very important. Make sure your photos are very accurate and current, which basically signifies what exactly you want to do. You can use a AI also if you want to, and you can use a custom banner image. Guys, this image which is I have created, this image is a custom banner image. Make sure go to fiverr.com, give them $5 or $10. They will create it for you, a professional looking image that you can basically use, right? Mistake number 4, passive networking. What do you mean by this? So the problem is all of you are waiting for the connection. Okay, some HR will come to your on LinkedIn and they will basically give you the job, right? This is not exactly will happen. So what you need to do is, instead of this, you need to join the groups on LinkedIn. Also there are lot of software testing groups, software development groups, software DevOps groups that you need to find, right? What you need to do is make sure that you find the important groups where you are going to join. You have to join the relevant groups according to you. The fix is very important. You have to reach out to the HRs. HR will not reach out to you. This is what I have learned also, guys. So make sure that you go to the HR profile where you want to get hired. Prepare a list of company. For example, a very good list of companies I have already prepared for you. Good company list. You will find it. The link in the description. You will find it somewhere. Good company list where SDET or automation tester people are finding it. You can find it here. Find the HRs. You need to find the HRs respectively and connect with them. This is very, very important. Join at least 3 to 5 groups per week. I have seen it where you will get the result, and make sure you engage. This is very, very important. You will do, right? Mistake number 5, which is privacy lockdown. What do you mean by this? See, I have seen people have restricted their profile visibility. For example, my profile, I have seen it is a public right now, right? If you use this link, linkedin.com/pramoddatta, or even if you search on a LinkedIn on a Google, you will be able to find. But many times people have restricted their profile. They have blocked the emails. They have hidden contact information. The fix for this is make sure you open your profile for all the recruiters. Make sure you enable the email. Anyone can reach through you in mails, which is very important. Add a professional email, for example, pramoddatta@something important, that if you own a website, you can have like scrolltest.com or contact or the testingacademy.com, you can have it, which is very, very important. And comment on an influential post, guys. This is very, very important. If you find some professionals who are working, for example, in my domain, for example, there are other creators, other influencer also in my, right? You have to comment there. You have to basically encourage them, right? The more you interact, the more you will learn. This is very important thing, right? Mistake number 6, which is very, very important, which is mixed messaging, guys. This is called as brand inconsistency, which means you have unprofessional post, which I have seen also. People, what exactly the mistake people do is sometimes they will just like the post or they will comment very good. No, this is called as brand inconsistency. You have to add a proper comment. If you are engaging with any HR or any influencer or anywhere you want to get highlight, you have to put more efforts in creating your post or the comment that you want to add. So for example, in my feature content also, you will see I generally encourage couple of important topics which I wanted to highlight. The problem with the manual tester or as well as automation salary difference, if you see, right? I wanted to highlight how other influencer helped me, how not learning automation created a problem, 3-month notice period. So there are multiple topics that you can basically highlight, and don't be like, because we are discussing about brand inconsistency, right? So make sure important information that you are adding, you need to align all of your comments and everything with your career goal, what you want to get, right? So HRs, if you're commenting on HRs, right, make sure that you are putting a lot of efforts so that they will notice your comment. This is very, very important, right? So now, what's your holding back on this, guys? I hope you have your profile. Make sure all the mistake which I have discussed, right, you inquire it, right? You can check if still you want promoter, how we can leverage the AI and everything. I have specifically prepared a LinkedIn masterclass for you guys. The LinkedIn masterclass is available, where I have basically given a tips how exactly you can basically use LinkedIn to create your profiles. It's a member only stuff, but it is available for free. You can see this link will be in the description or in a pinned comment. Our target is to basically like the comment and comment yes in the chat. I want to learn about LinkedIn more. It's a free masterclass for you, all of you. I will update into the comments. 100 comments and 100 likes is the target. Let's do that, guys. It's a very simple. It's a very lot of efforts I have put. It's a 2 hours of masterclass free of course, where how exactly you need to use LinkedIn. Secret hacks I have discussed with AI. You will be getting it for free, right? So make sure you comment yes in the chat and like this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and hit the subscribe button.